A year ago, I attended the Valley Economic Alliance annual meeting as the installing officer, installing our board of directors and our officers to start off another great year for our Valley Economic Alliance. None of us who were there that day could have foresaw or even imagined what 2020 was going to bring. Last year, our alliance implemented its strategic plan. We've reinvigorated our initiative teams. With our investors, partners, and stakeholders, the alliance is focused on economic opportunities. We co-sponsored the one-of-a-kind annual California Lutheran University San Fernando Valley Economic Forecast. We've hosted the Access to Business Capital event to connect local businesses with funding opportunities.
I would recommend this program to everyone that is seeking financial assistance.
When the COVID-19 pandemic hit, our alliance rose to the challenge, offering a series of new business assistance webinars to help business access emergency grants and loans and to learn how to cope with new guidelines for doing business. On Sonia's first day, she proposed the economic recovery map, and it was adopted by our board of directors.
Since I've come on board with the pandemic in full force, we've really had an amazing showing of support from our investors. And they've really risen to the occasion by providing the resources necessary to deliver emergency assistance to our businesses. We established a program called Valley Capital, which was a virtual conference, really helping companies to understand the complexities of what emergency funding is available.
We are a juice bar. I reached out to Valley Economic Alliance to obtain SBA loans due to COVID-19, and they were able to help us through and get us the funding. Obviously help with payroll, rent, utilities, certain things to adapt. We're bringing our products directly to the customers. So we invested into refrigerated vans.
In partnership with the LAEDC and the Community Connectory program, the Alliance assisted more businesses across the region to avoid layoffs and closures.
We've been conducting these webinars that will help companies understand the safer at home regulations, how they can interface with their employees, what are some of the public health concerns they need to be aware of, and how they can reopen. Our team has really risen to the occasion.
The outdoor dining programs that you're seeing pop up in so many cities, I think is a very powerful message for boosting consumer confidence.
One of the things that has been truly remarkable has been the participation of our stakeholders.
They can highlight any of the social media, social distancing requirements that they're honoring and to reassure customers that this is a good place to do business.
San Fernando Valley Rising Strong is an Instagram, a social media campaign to really encourage businesses and residents to patronize our local mom and pop businesses.
One of the great things about the Valley that's always been true is that the people here are resilient, they care about each other, they care about this region, they want to make this region better.
We created Valley Works, which is our virtual job fair.
Thank you to the Education and Workforce Committee.
We're going to make sure that people have access to the tools they need to recover and keep going.
One thing that we're not losing sight of is the midterm and the long-term development of the Valley. We're very mindful of several factors. Number one, business retention. We're also looking at business attraction.
People want to make sure that they are involved and that these programs succeed, and they will. Our alliance is resilient, responsive, and proactive. We remain committed to our mission, which is to engage and unite Valley stakeholders to raise standards of living and economic vitality across the San Fernando Valley. I want to thank you so much for participating with us at this time of need. We look forward to bringing new ideas and new leadership to the San Fernando Valley and to coming out of this crisis a stronger, more resilient place